Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Greg and 10. Greg, I got it ready to go for you, bud. All the options, all the mods. We got your clarifier mod, wideband transmit receive, electrolytic cap upgrades, beefed up the power supply, etc. We're going to start with our power all the way down. 100-watt slug. There's your 2 watts all the way down. There's your about 28 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 64 bird, 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, about 146 PEP. All right, Greg, we'll get it down to you, man. I appreciate it. Your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com. You got Wise and got Truckerized. Bump, bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.